So hello guys, just wanted to make a quick introduction to the new series, the new playlist. I'm calling it Pre-Build and Repair. It's an old car we bought. There's a lot to be done, both prior to building, of course, but also a lot of repair and maintenance. And as I'm a certified mechanic, been working for many years in cars, I thought I would document and film some of the things that might be interesting. Brake work, rust repair. In Denmark we have very high standards with the repair. No plastic padding, no caulking or whatever you call it in your country. It's got to be plates welded in on the right way. So hello guys. Right now I'm taking the car apart to see what's wrong, how much I do, how much is there from rust underneath, and how's the everything built. Let's have a look. So this is what it looks like just in the beginning. I'll zoom out, easier to see. So like that, took out the chairs, all of them, in order to see how the floor was attached. And as far as I can see, I have jacked the whole thing up. Just bought myself 4 new jacks, 3 tons each. That should do it. I couldn't find any bolts for the floor, but I actually found it underneath. There's some big bars going across, and the floor is bolted through to them. But right now we have to discuss in the family that's me and the wife, if we really want to make it a 4-seater for regular seats, so that we can take our grandchildren on a tour, and a couple of friends of course, or if we just want to make it for 2 people. That's gonna be a nice discussion. As I said earlier, it was a bus made for handicapped people, so it's for seats that you can move around, and for wheelchairs accessible. There's some of these rods put in. There was one there too, and over here also. And for the seats in the back, they were such fold-up seats. Look at the extra things put in here to secure the seats. I think I'll probably take them out and weld a normal piece in instead. That's probably gonna save me 8-10 kilos like this. And something extra I noticed on this one, instead of a normal what do you say, these ones have see, so that's also some aftermarket things made by the company who made it into the handicap bus. I'm curious what these are over here. But this is just the beginning. I'll try to take some pictures along when I take things apart, and especially when I put it together again. I just used this morning to pull out all the electrics for the ramp, the handicap lift ramp. The guy who took it off couldn't really. It's too much electricity for him, so I decided I would do it for him. And of course he needs it when he wants to install it on another car. Just took off the right rear wheel just to see what condition it is. I'm planning on installing air suspension in the rear, and of course new shock absorbers. And I'm actually contemplating a new what's the long one called? That one. I'll figure it out when I get to a computer and I translate. And of course all the brakes will have to be taken apart, sandblasted, and see if it meets the criteria. Otherwise they will be rebuilt. Probably gonna take some new hoses also. And there's the rust. Always the rust. It's a 17-year-old car, so... Well, that'll be it for now. See you later. I just looked up the two words I couldn't find the words for. It's the absorber, the shock absorber in the doors is actually called shock absorbers also, according to Google Translate that is. And the other one, that's a leaf spring. I actually knew that, but I couldn't remember. But also there's a lot of upgrades I think I will do if the money permits it. Like air suspension in the rear and a tow bar and when all that is done and the car is roadworthy, we start the build series. Just sitting here afterwards having a cup of coffee and wondering what I should do now next. Well, I have to get to work, but there'll be some days here in Easter. I think I'll get something done there. And of course, the Vanlife itself will continue as when the car is ready to go, we will start filming where we go, what we do, just ordinary Vanlife stuff. If you can't wait, I'm starting to put together some small films with our old camper van. We had one the last 3 years, which rusted away. But you can find those videos on the front page also. But bear in mind, I'm very new at this, so probably technically not the best. But I hope I learn on the go, I should say. Well, see you. It's just chilling in the workshop. Nothing else to do right now. See you.